Open your eyes up.
How you feeling, buddy?
I feel pretty good.
Feel pretty good? Did you know we're all done? We already took your teeth out. Yeah, your teeth are in your hand. It is pretty cool.
Can you smile for the camera?
Thumbs up. That's what I like to see. Oh, I'm recording. You don't have to hold that pose.
Really
You're on a
fast.
cloud?
Huh?
Feel like you're on a cloud?
Maybe.
I was up there with you.
Maybe.
You sure?
We're done?
Yeah, we're done.
And teeth?
Yep.
There you go. Hey.
And put the feet off.
Oh, it's okay. We'll put it back on in a minute.
My teeth off. I don't want to be bald.
That's okay. You can rinse them when you get home.
Maybe we can make an art project.
That would be good.
Cut my teeth.
Make a necklace.
Right? We're done, right?
Isn't that crazy?
How long is that take?
Oh, not very long at all.
Like 10 minutes?
Maybe about that.
No, really. How long is that for?
About 10, 15 minutes. Is that right?
Yeah.
Not too
Here,
long.
do you want to record, Mom?
No, I don't touch
okay.
it. Yeah, you know about that.
It's alright.
No.
I don't know how to stop it. I can hold it.
Just push the red flashy button.
To stop it.
You'll see it. It's on the left hand side.
It
took 12 minutes to get your teeth out.
So
These two, these 4 on the bottom. No, you didn't have 4 on the bottom. These 2 were on the top, and these 2 were on the bottom. But you probably see 8 teeth right now, don't you?
How many teeth are there?
1, 2, 3, 4.
Here you go. Might be easier.
Can you smile for the camera?
Okay, Mom.
3, 4.
Smile. Uh-oh.
4?
4. I'm
I'm
busy.
so happy I'm not crying.
I know.
Oh, me too.
Oh my gosh.
It's
Yeah.
amazing.
You're on a cloud instead.
Funny?
Oh, yeah.
Yeah.
Oh,
You missed it.
so happy for you.
Tell her to smile for the
I'm
camera.
really young.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Cheese. Smile.
Holy shit.
Yeah. Smile. Smile.
How do you walk it? As soon as I enjoy this thing.
You- You're doing great. Happy. You're happy. Now you can go climbing and hiking.
Not today. Here, leave that on your finger for me, just for a few more minutes.
Can you?
How long did this procedure take?
12 minutes.
Isn't that
Pretty
awesome?
So like 12.
Awesome.
It's New Year.
Yes.
Ah, see?
Those 12s.
Just open it up.
Yeah, we're already done.
Okay.
Can you smile for the
I
camera?
didn't try, did I?
No.
Oh my god, I did not want to cry.
No. You're laughing.
Go ahead and here, just turn it off.